And congrats, bro. Tell me about AMD. I'm gonna be real with you. I never even look at AMD. That AMAT turnaround was golden. Did we not play that right? No, we lost on the crowd play. That's why we won't fight. We really won't fight crowd strike. You know what I'm saying? We held on the crowd for so long. And then for them to play us like that, we really won't fight. You know what I'm saying? I told somebody that, I told them that in the group this morning. I said, me and CrowdStrike, like, we don't have a toxic relationship, but every now and then, like, it pissed me off. So I really won't fight. I really won't fight CrowdStrike. We literally lost on the play 2 weeks ago. Held that play for a long time. Lost on it 2 weeks ago. And here it go doing what it's. Like, I really won't, like, yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, squabble up. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, app loving. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all a story about app loving one day. Yeah, that really pissed me off. At 475, I was looking at getting in that play. And when I got out of my app in Google Play, I didn't get in it because I was supposed to get in it, and I thought I was looking for the September pullback to get in it again. Shit went from 495 to 600. So I'm not gonna be too mad at myself, but definitely that's one of them ones where I really want, because I'm gonna tell you something. Anything in the tech sector that I be on that's in my wheelhouse, when they run, I kind of be pissed off a little bit because I know it's in my wheelhouse. But what I don't get mad about it is I don't be liking to overextend myself. Like, I told the team about Robinhood freaking, I think a week ago, I was like, hey, y'all, if it hit this 114, it's going to bounce off this 114 and we going to strike it. But we wound up getting the ASML play that did, I got out of that this morning. We did 120% from Friday to today, which was insane. So I clocked out 103,000 this morning. So we did ASML. We averaged down on, and I'll tell y'all about the AMAT play. We got UNH. We got Goldman Sachs. What we did AMAT. We averaged down in AMAT. We did UNH. We did Goldman Sachs. We did Tesla. So he don't day trade. Yep, leaps and swings. Yeah. So I wasn't mad at so that be. For me, it's always like, man, you can't get them all, bro. You know what I'm saying? So certain times I really just don't even much be tripping. I just be like, bro, you can't get them all, so it's cool, And I feel like the market never runs out of opportunity. We run up a bag. Today was my biggest day of the year, too. Today was, what can I do with 2,500 trap? Shit, you can work your way to $1 million if you play it right. You know what I'm saying? You're going to take some losses along the way, but I texted a guy this morning. He DM'd me. He was like, Trapper, I think, I'm going to tell y'all something. Let me say this to y'all. And I'm not saying, so there's this thing I like to say. No question is a dumb question. But there are fear-based questions. Listen to what I'm about to say here. No question is a dumb question at all. But they're fear-based questions. So when you ask, what's the minimum that you recommend? Start where you can. That's a fear-based question. And I mean this I don't mean this as a scary situation. Start with what you can. You know what I'm saying? Start with what you can. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't ask, what's the minimum I can invest? Start with what you can. You know what I'm saying? And that's the thing that gets you out of here. Like, when you start saying, like, man, what's the least I can start with? You already going in your mind like, man, I don't want to lose this much. You can't even go in the game like that. You got to go in the game like, bro, I'm about to start with 2,500. That's what we gonna do. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start with this 2,500. I'm about to start with this 1,000. Whatever it is, start where you can. Whether it's buying hold, whether it's trading, whatever it is, start with what you can. Stop asking. And again, this is not a stupid question, so don't do that. I'm telling you, in perspective, it's a fearful question. And the one thing this game gonna do is, like, this game 100% gonna check your fear. If you scared to lose, it's gonna prove that. It's gonna prove that to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you scared to lose $1, it's gonna force you to lose $1. You know what I'm saying? If you scared to lose 1,000, it's gonna make you lose 1,000. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever, whether it's trading, whether it's investing, whatever you scared to lose, it's gonna test you right there. It's gonna make sure you feel that 100%. because you going in it with a fear-based mindset, and that mindset will never win in this game. It'll never win. If anything, that mindset gonna cripple you in this game. That's why I tell people, listen, like I be telling my people in the chat, you know, we've taken L's before. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, like everybody done took L's, man, bro. I be like, bro, you gotta keep going. Did you know, it's like, oh, like, damn, trap, like, and like, y'all know me, like, you know, I'm probably one of the only traders that's on the internet right now. So let me just use it from that perspective, that I don't be hooping and hollering about stop losses, because they can work for you, they can work against you. You know what I'm saying? It just depends on who you are, what's your trading style. You know what I'm saying? I have a large, but everything, nothing is, here's the thing about this too. Nothing in this game is, what's the word I want to say right here? Like written in stone, right?